Okay, so we know that spring rolls, egg rolls, and summer rolls are all cylindrical wrapped packets of joy containing different types of meat and vegetables. They can all be dipped into tasty sauces, and we know that they are all delicious. But what exactly is the difference between a spring roll, an egg roll, and a summer roll? Don't pull out your phone at a restaurant to Google it. Or worse yet, embarrass yourself by asking the waiter. Just watch this video. Today we'll show you the difference between spring rolls, egg rolls, and summer rolls. We'll talk about what they are, their ingredients, origins, and why it's so confusing to tell the difference. Make sure to watch the whole video so you can avoid any rookie mistakes when ordering at a restaurant. Let's start off with spring rolls. Spring rolls originated in China thousands of years ago, dating back to the Eastern Jin dynasty. Back then, spring rolls were not rolls at all, but rather a type of flat pancake that was made to celebrate the beginning of spring. It wasn't until the Ming dynasty in the 1300s that cooking skills had advanced, and these flat pancakes were rolled up into what we recognize today as spring rolls. Traditional Chinese spring rolls contain cooked vegetables such as cabbage, spring onions, and carrots, wrapped in very thin pastries made from flour and water. These are then baked or sometimes not cooked at all and dipped into a Worcestershire-based sauce. You'll also see a variety of different sauces, such as plum sauce, chili garlic sauce, or just plain vinegar or soy sauce. Yum! Is anyone getting hungry? The symbolism with spring rolls is strong. They are typically served during Chinese New Year festivals to celebrate the first day of spring. In Chinese culture, spring egg rolls are stacked to represent gold bars, symbolizing the wealth and prosperity to come in the new year. If only we could all get rich from eating spring rolls, that would be a dream. Spring rolls have been around for a long time and are now enjoyed all over the world. Different countries have created different variations of this classic, and you can now find spring rolls with meat included, baked, fried, steamed, and with any kind of sauce imaginable. Spring rolls are made with rice paper wrappers in Vietnam, with glass noodles and wood ear mushrooms in Thailand, and with shrimp or chicken in Indonesia. The Philippines make spring rolls that are thinner and longer than traditional Chinese spring rolls. And Americans? Well, Americans got out their deep fryers and made their own delicious variation, which we'll cover next. Before we do, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. The egg roll is generally credited as an American invention, created in New York in the 1930s by a chef named Lum Fung. Egg rolls were definitely created from spring rolls, answering the question, which came first, the egg or the, spring? While spring rolls came first, egg rolls added a crispy pork-filled element to the mix, and people around the world can't get enough of them. Egg rolls have, believe it or not, egg added to the wrapper batter, giving it a thicker, almost pasta-like texture. In terms of filling, bring on the pork. Egg rolls typically have meat included, usually a savory, tender pork, as well as cabbage, bamboo shoots, and crunchy water chestnuts. They are then fried to a perfect, crispy golden brown and devoured. Egg rolls are usually served with sweet and sour sauce, though there are unlimited sauce variations like duck sauce, soy sauce, even hot mustard. Is there a Panda Express nearby? I'm getting hungry. It's very easy to tell the difference between egg rolls and spring rolls. Spring rolls are smooth, while egg rolls have a raised, blistery, and bumpy skin. In American cuisine, egg rolls are often given as a free side dish, along with rice and fortune cookies at restaurants. Why? We're not really sure, because egg rolls can stand on their own. Not literally, of course, they would fall over. But in terms of popularity and deliciousness, egg rolls stand on their own and have become a staple of American Chinese cuisine. Now, not all egg rolls are free. In fact, Vietnamese celebrity chef Jack Lee has gone rogue and touts a $100 egg roll. That's right, $100 for an egg roll. Would you spend $100 on an egg roll? Well, it's taken over Hollywood, with A-listers like Angelina Jolie, Clint Eastwood, and Oprah Winfrey having their fill. So what makes it worth $100? Well, it's filled with premium ingredients like Maine lobster tail, caviar, and Alaska king crab, and served with Dom Perignon champagne. Could we get a taste test over here? Next, we're going to go over a third variation of these delicious rolls. Summer rolls are a Vietnamese variation that has become popular around the world. They are by far the healthiest option and a completely different food experience than the spring roll and egg roll. Summer rolls are packed with fresh ingredients and never fried. They contain vermicelli noodles, cucumbers, lettuce, carrots, herbs like mint or cilantro, and either shrimp, prawns, or pork. They are wrapped in a translucent, moist rice paper, and you can usually see the fillings inside. Summer rolls, unlike spring and egg rolls, are typically uncooked and eaten cold. Many summer roll fans describe them as a salad in a clear, edible wrap. Summer rolls are popular appetizers in Vietnamese restaurants. The rice paper is actually dipped in water before rolling, which makes it almost completely clear, so you can see all of the delicious fillings inside. These are also served at many Vietnamese family gatherings. It's unknown how they originated, but most believe that these were invented at least 100 years ago, if not more. For the home chefs out there, you'll find that summer rolls are quite easy to make, and there are endless variations of fillings you can try. To make a summer roll, cook your protein in whatever way you'd like. Pork belly shredded finely or poached prawns are popular in this dish. Then, you'll want to prepare your vegetables. This is where you can really mix it up. Carrots, bean sprouts, soft lettuce, cucumber, and cabbage are all popular options. Add in your herbs like mint or Thai basil. The next step is adding your rice vermicelli noodles, which should be cooked until soft but not squishy. Finally, you'll need your rice paper rounds, which can be found at any Asian grocery store. Dunk the rice paper in water, then fill and roll. This will take some practice to perfect, but it is well worth it. These delicacies are way healthier than fried egg rolls, but there is something about that satisfying crunch you get when you bite into an egg roll. Either way, summer rolls are clearly delicious. Get it? Clearly? Well, one thing is very clear. If you ordered a roll at a restaurant and you were expecting a deep-fried egg roll, but received a clear summer roll with prawns instead, you would clearly be upset. Don't let this happen to you. Keep watching. Okay, we've described the 3 types of rolls, and hopefully at this point you have a good understanding of how they are different. So why is there still so much confusion? Let's dive in. To sum it all up, egg rolls are made with doughy rice or flour sheets. Egg rolls are always fried. Spring rolls are made with a thin rice paper and are typically baked or eaten uncooked, not fried. Summer rolls are also made with rice paper, but the rice paper is submerged in water to make it translucent. A summer roll is always served cold. So why is this confusing? Well, it's confusing because different cultures around the world use the terms spring, summer, and egg interchangeably. A spring roll in one country might actually be a summer roll in another country, and vice versa. Some cultures refer to egg rolls as spring or summer rolls. Egg rolls vary from country to country. For example, in the Philippines, there's a popular dish called lumpia. Lumpia are fried spring rolls, and they are commonly referred to as Filipino egg rolls. However, these are in fact spring rolls due to the thin, smooth wrapper. Similarly, the Vietnamese call their spring rolls summer rolls. They fry their spring rolls, meaning that they are actually egg rolls. They also have regular egg rolls using square flour sheets, which are properly called egg rolls. Restaurants may refer to a spring roll as an egg roll, and even the spring roll wrappers have different meanings. This is starting to get confusing. Well, don't worry. Most Asian restaurants have pictures on the menu, so you will know what you are ordering. Without the picture, you can ask if the roll is fried or not. If it is, you'll know it's an egg roll, regardless of what the menu is calling it. Or you can ask if it's served hot or cold. If it's cold, you'll know it's a summer roll. In the end, it doesn't matter what we call these wonderful packets of joy. They are all delicious. So that's it for our overview of spring rolls, egg rolls, and summer rolls. What is your favorite type of roll? Spring, egg, or summer? Tell us in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.